Hi, welcome. In this session of the video, we are going to demonstrate spectro polishing machine, SPECTROPOLISHER-MODEL-MOIG23. Here is the machine. So as you can see, the whole machine looks like this. It's a very small compared to our regular model MOIG03. It is almost half the size. If we talk about the dimension of the machine, it is weighing around 45 kg. Its dimension are 400 by 400 by 400 inches. Okay. Now, if you have a front look of the machine, the panel board, there is no separate panel board. It has been mounted on a single plate, and that has made it a very compact in size. If you talk about the features of the machine, this is the first model which is a lab polisher, and that can be converted into a portable spectrum polishing machine also, which could be frequently taken to the site, and that could be taken into the different exhibition sites where you can easily use this machine. For that a trolley type arrangement is given. This is the handle. As you can see, I am moving the machine, see, and the wheels are also visible at the bottom of the machine, right? So let us start discussing what features these machines have further. Now, compared to our MOIG03 model, the size of the dish has been kept the same, 14-inch dia. That means the idea behind it is to provide the maximum polishing area for the samples. Again, the motor speed RPM has been kept the same. It is a 3000 RPM machine. So you get the full features of those machines. Plus portability, compactness and safety all have been combined together. Why I am saying this? Because as you can see, a specific polishing area has been given, and if you are not using it, you can close it. So there is no hassle as far as the safety is concerned, right? Operation part, it is very easy. Before starting, as we check in all the machine, we connect the 3-phase power, 3-phase 440 volts. In this we have already connected, and that is indicated on the front panel. All the 3 phases are in the running position, and there is direct MCB mounted. Right now it is in the off position. Once I switch it on, the machine starts. Here I switch the machine. So the machine has already started. So you can take your samples and take in this sample, right? And I can straightway start polishing the sample. We are providing these type of holders also. This is holder for the small size sample, and we also have holder that is meant for the bigger sample, that is magnetic type holder. I'll show you that also. In the meantime, you can see the machine. So here is the magnetic holder. So how it clamps. See how the edges have been polished. How am I going to move this? I am doing it right now. So this is how you polish the sample. Once you have polished the sample, you can cover the area, switch off the machine. So that is as far as the operational part is concerned. Second is, if you want to replace the paper dish in this machine, before opening this area, please check the machine is on the off position. Right now it is off. So I am going to open only if the machine is off, right? So here I open the area. This is how the naked machine looks. Now as far as the other features are concerned, in this small model also we have kept the scope for suction of the dust. Here you can see there is a hole, right? So from here, once this panel is closed, it will suck the dust. And where does the dust? How does it move out? So at the bottom of the machine, you can see there is a pipe on the right corner from where the dust will blow out. On the back, you are able to see that blue color pipe, metallic. From there the dust blows out, right? Again, for stationary, for proper stabilizing, to remove the vibration pads are given in the machine. So once you want to fix it in the laboratory, you can use these 4 vibration pads, set the height of the machine. Again, just to show you, there is a suction pipe inside. Just show that pipe. Green color pipe is there. Yes. So here we have a machine which could be called, which we can call the world's smallest machine in the spectropolisher. The model is, remember, MOIG22. For more information, please visit our company's website, that is www.magnumopusinternational.com, and you can contact us on our email info@magnumopusinternational.com. Thank you.